For my 3D puzzle, I decided to take a somewhat psychological approach to the problem. Rather than limiting those with eyesight, such as hiding the puzzle from them, I decided to go down the track of using their eyes to deceive them. Primarily, I used colours, paired with the human brain's tendency to form patterns to trick those with perfect vision into misinterpreting the puzzle itself. Because those without eyesight can't see these colours, they are not subjected to this effect. The solution to the puzzle lies entirely with touch and tactile sensation, but those with eyesight will not see it that way. This is the digital prototype that I have developed. Shown here are the 11 pieces that form the puzzle's various configurations. This group of pieces have 3 possible solutions, all using 6 to 7 of the pieces each. The intention of the design is to trick the user's eyes into believing the red lines need to be aligned. This is further propagated by some of the red lines actually aligning, but note there is no method of connecting the start and finish blocks using the red bars. It only seems like there is. Here is the actual first solution to the problem. The goal is obviously to connect the start block, here, marked with an S, to the finish block, here, marked with an F. Though this may not look like a solution, I'd like to draw your attention to the raised bars that enclose each of these red lines. Watch my cursor as I connect these lines. The start and finish have been connected by these bars. This solution does not come easily to those who can see the blocks, and even put together does not look quite right. For a blind person, it doesn't matter the colour of the blocks or the red lines connecting them. All that matters is what they can feel in each block, allowing the solution to come much easier to them. As stated above, clauses 1.1 to 1.4 are solved primarily through the use of misdirection. The visual use of colour and shape of the red lines intends to promote human pattern recognition. When compared to these, the tactile solution is hard to see. Though it is still possible for a sighted person to solve, the visual elements make it more difficult. In answer to clauses 2.1 through 2.4, texture and tactile sensation are used for the real solution. The shape of the blocks promotes blind users to form the correct patterns, lining up each bar, whilst the inability to see the red line patterns removes any confusion. When compared to the bright red lines that sighted users can see, the texture of the blocks is considered covert information as required by clause 2.4. In answer to clause 3.1, I would draw attention to the method which connects the blocks. Each side has a mechanism similar to a ball and socket with a male and female part for each, allowing connections on every side. No electricity is used. In answer to clause 3.2 and 4.1, see the 3 different solutions available, each using a combination of 6 or 7 pieces out of the total 11 pieces. For 4.2, no braille is used, and for 4.4, each block is approximately 30mm in diameter, giving a total length of no more than 120mm. Finally, for 5.1, though no restriction is placed on materials, each piece can be easily fabricated through 3D printing and quickly painting. With that, all the requirements of the design have been met. Thanks for watching.